So YouTube, I have another product, and it's basically one of those multi plugs you plug to your laptop. Just in case you don't have too many USBs, you can use this from an HDMI cable. Some computers don't come with it, and this is one of those hubs that has a lot. In my description there will be a link of where to buy, so let's check it out. So you have your manual, and as you can see, that is it right there, and it has a USB Type-C connector. So that's basically is on some laptops, some MacBooks, some Chromebooks. Is on the Lavina Yoga. It's the little one from like a Note 8 or a Galaxy 8 or 9 charger, just like that. It has 3 USB 3.0 Type A ports. So you have stronger port. You have one Ethernet, as you can see is right here. You have the LED light. So basically that's the cord that goes into your Galaxy, or it goes into your MacBook or Chromebook, and I think some other ones on the Lavina, the Dell XPS, Google Chrome, MacBook from Pro 2018, 2017, 2016, Mac Pro, MacBook 2018, 2017, 2016, and etc. In my description there will be a link of where to buy. And these are your 3.0 USB ports. This is your HDMI 4K. You have your Ethernet, and then you have another of those USB-C connector, and it looks just like this. It's pretty cool. You can put it, and you know it's for more access to things, because sometimes the laptop only comes with one USB, or it doesn't come with a 4K, so you can connect this and you have it. Well, in my description will be a link of where to buy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.